Power Ranger Ninja Seal Red Ranger helmet made by using newspapers. Make a mannequin like this by stuffing newspaper inside a plastic bag, or you can use my previous method from my previous video how to make Red Ranger helmet from Power Ranger in space. To make a mold, cover the helmet with newspaper by using glue plus water mixture and let it dry. Now slowly take out the mannequin. Make a cut to the back of the helmet with scissors. Now to make the upper part, take ivory sheet and cut it and fold it as shown in the video. The size of the sheet depends upon the size of your helmet. Refer an original image, then adjust it properly, then paste it or stick it with tape. The gaps of the helmet should be sealed with tape. Take a cardboard and draw the glass part of the helmet and cut it. Draw the same on the helmet, and before sticking it with tape, once cross check whether your eyes fit in the frame or not. Take any thick black plastic and paste the frame on it and cut it. Now take a piece of a velcro and staple it at the back side of the helmet as shown. Now take the glass part which was made before and stick it. Now to make the helmet thick, cover it with white papers. Now fill red and silver color as shown in the video. When the helmet is dry, draw a ninja star on it and fill it with black color. Add the small details on the helmet with the help of thin black marker. Red Buster 2-in-1 helmet from cardboard and make a mannequin like this by stuffing newspaper inside a plastic bag, or you can use my previous method from my previous video how to make Red Ranger helmet from Power Ranger in space. To make a mold, cover the helmet with newspaper by using glue plus water mixture and let it dry. Now slowly take out the mannequin. Make a cut to the back of the helmet with scissors. To make it fit exactly on my head, I have added two strips of cardboard at backside. You can use this trick depending upon size of your head. Now take a cardboard and draw the design as shown in the video and cut it. Place the same design on a red transparent file and paste it together. Also draw and cut the design on the helmet as shown in the video. Like my previous helmet videos, stick velcro at the back side of the helmet as shown in the video. Now take the cardboard of width 4 or 4.5 centimeter and draw the design like this and cut it out. Make two copies of it. Take a chart or a white paper sheet and fold it as shown in the video. Stick it with tape while covering the open part and also make a copy of it. Now take these parts, paste or stick it with tape as shown in the video. Now to make a Racer Zord Cheetah Strike mode, take a chart, draw a design like this and cut it out. Then take a strip of width 3.5 centimeter and length depends upon your size of helmet. Stick velcro at the back side of the helmet and also on the strip which was taken before to make Racer Zord Cheetah Strike mode. This can be easy to fix and take out. Draw eye design on a cardboard and cut it out. Then take a strip of 0.5 or 1 centimeter and paste it as shown. To make the helmet strong, cover it with white papers. Now paint the helmet with red color. By referring any original helmet image, draw designs on the helmet with black marker or paint it with black color. Now paint the left out portion with silver color. Extremely sorry guys, here I have done some mistakes in some parts of design, so I am repainting it. After repainting, the helmet look like this. Therefore your helmet is ready. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. I will be making many more videos on Super Sentai and Power Rangers.